Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we will take a step-by-step look at how to connect Milesight routers to OpenVPN CloudConnexa. We will break the operation procedure into 3 sections as follows. First, OpenVPN CloudConnexa configuration. Second, connect router to OpenVPN Cloud. Last, connect PC to cloud and test connectivity. We will start with login OpenVPN ConneXa. Use your mouse, navigate to Networks, and select the remote access scenario. Click Continue to next step. Fill in the network name you like. We use Router 1 in this video. Then choose the router's region. Our router's region is Singapore. Click Next to set provider type. Milesight routers are based on OpenWRT, so we choose OpenWRT. Click Next again, then choose Proceed without testing. Click Next. Then we will add route and IP services. On the router, we can see the IP address and net mask. These are the informations we need to set up on cloud. Turns to IP service. Fill in the name you like again. Choose the network we just created. Choose service type as all, or you can also customize by yourself if you have special needs. In here we need to fill in the subnet as above. Then click Add IP services. Now we have successfully created a network. Use your mouse, navigate to connectors. Then click Download OVPN file. This file contains all the configuration for OpenVPN client. After finishing the configuration on cloud, next step is router configuration. We use ping to test connectivity between router and open the OVPN file. Copy the remote server domain. Navigate to Maintenance, Tools, IP ping. Paste the domain in the box. Click Ping to start test. From the test result, we can see our route can successfully communicate with OpenVPN Cloud. Then click Stop to stop ping test. Besides, we can also check WAN port status to ensure the router have connected to the internet. Knowing that our router can access cloud, we can start to configure router. We have 2 configuration methods to choose. Let's try file configuration first. With simple clicks to import the configuration you have just downloaded. Remember to click Save and Apply, then this method is finished. Another configuration method we will show you is page configuration. Let's open the OVPN file again. From the file we can see interface is TUN and protocol is UDP. We need to copy the remote server domain to remote IP address and fill in the same UDP port. Due to the rest part of this file are certificates, so we choose the authentication as X.509 certificate. Roll down to the bottom of this file. We can see TLS auth key, so we need to choose TLS authentication on the page. We have checked the whole file don't have option for compression, so we change the compression to none. Next step is to choose the same cipher and authentication mode. Noticing that above TLS authentication, we have to copy key direction 1 to expert options on the page. Fill in the local route subnet as the LAN subnet. Now order to import certificates and keys. We will create these 4 files and copy the corresponding certificates and keys from begin to end to each file. After creation, we can import the certificates and keys from the previous step. Please follow the video to import. Don't forget to click Apply to take effect. Finally, we can check the VPN tunnel between Gateway and OpenVPN Cloud. We can take Antoher ping test to remote IP. Besides, the connection status will also displayed on OpenVPN Cloud. After set up the connection between router and cloud, the last step is to connect our PC to cloud. In this step we need to open OpenVPN Cloud, select profile region of your needs, click Download Profile to download configuration profile. Double-click the downloaded file. If you have already installed OpenVPN Connect, it will automatically running and import file. Click Connect, it will pop up a web page. After a few seconds, The software will display connected and connection status. Click refresh on the browser. We can see our PC is online now. Let's try to ping router's OpenVPN tunnel IP. From the screen we can see ping test have been successfully and the reply from remote IP. We could also access the router with bridge IP address. Please note that remote access should be enabled of HTTP at access service. Last, if you want to access a device that connects to router's LAN port, access can be achieved by simply entering the IP of the LAN port device. Our example is a people counting sensor.